Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to hop on and do a quick unboxing of this luxury item from Poshmark. But before I get started, I do want to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. I put out a lot of videos about contemporary designer handbags like Coach, Michael Kors, Fossil Furla, as well as some luxury items like Gucci and Burberry. Also, check out my Poshmark. It's linked down below, and my referral code is OOGLE, and it'll get you $10 off your first purchase on Poshmark. So, this item is from Poshmark, and it is a Goyard item. It's an SLG. So I got this for a killer price. I think I got it for like $325 plus tax and shipping. So I was like $350, let's just call it. And then I had some Poshmark credits, so I ended up paying closer to $250 for it. But this item usually retails for around $650, I would say. Which, if you know anything about Goyard, know about their pricing in the US, it shouldn't be surprising. Their SLGs, even though they're like canvas, they're very similar in spirit to the Louis Vuitton SLGs, tend to be, $500 to $600 to $700 to $800, whereas, a similar thing at something like Louis Vuitton might be more like $200 or $300. So I never really thought I would own Goyard, but when I found this on Poshmark, I had been keeping my eye on it for a while just to see if the price would go down. I ended up kind of offering and negotiating with the seller, and ended up getting it for a great deal. So maybe without further ado, I will just get into it. So this is the box. If you can see, the box has the Goyard pattern all over it, which is really pretty. There's your logo right there. It's in a silver kind of foil. And then you have, so you have the Goyard kind of signature pattern. Then you have the yellow or like mustard lining that Goyard is known for. And what I ended up getting is a yellow key case. So this is Goyard's signature canvas. You can see the logo there, but then also the pattern. So this pattern, if you watch kind of some of the History of Goyard YouTube videos, this pattern is inspired by the History of Goyard, and there used to be, what is it called? Transporters of logs down a river in France, and so that's what this pattern is representing, is each little mark is supposed to be like a little log. But all that aside, it's a 6 keyring holder. So you have your 6 key rings in there. You can see the hardware up close. You can see that the hardware is, obviously brand new. This was a brand new item. The seller said she got it from an estate sale, and she got it authenticated. She also sold many other Goyard things that Poshmark authenticated, and I'm going to also get this authenticated, but I have no reason to believe that it's a fake. The packaging is great, and all the stamping and lettering seems to be the right font, and so I'm not super skeptical. You have your Goyard on the button, Goyard stamp right there. But so it is a 6 keyring holder. It's very similar to the Louis Vuitton multi-clay. You have your pocket back here, which can fit a credit card. You have pockets here that I'm not really sure what you would use them for, because they certainly don't fit a card. So maybe you could fold up some cash and put it there. And that's what it looks like. That's the back. And then I'll just show you the tag. So that's, I guess, what it's telling you, what the item is made of. And then that's the item number. And it does a little envelope. What else is in here? But so that is my latest Poshmark purchase. It was a steal. I think, I don't tend to shop on Poshmark a lot, just because I'm mostly a seller on Poshmark, but there are times when you certainly can get a great deal like this with someone who has a really quality product and honestly just kind of wants to get rid of it and doesn't really care too much about getting fair market value, because these things, even used at the Real, they sell for $550 or more. So I definitely paid way under retail, way under market value. And because Goyard is so hard to get, you have to, they don't do e-commerce. You have to call their store if you want to get a Goyard product. these can go for a lot more on the secondary market as well. So I'm super stoked about this. I will do a more in-depth video on like filling it up with my keys and stuff like that, but I just wanted to do a quick reveal today. Thanks guys, bye.